Felly mae gloi wan yn bleser i ddiolch i Ann, i Dafydd Llywelyn, ac wrth gwrs i Rhyn ap Iorwerth ein arweinydd am roi gweledigaeth mor gadarn am system plis Mona a chyfiawnder degach yn gweledigaeth ni, a hynny wrth gwrs yn y pen draw yn nwyl o bobl Cymru, oherwydd mae gwasanaethu pobl Cymru, mae'r system cyfiawnder. Mae gen i ni ymgeiswyr arbennig o dda hefyd yn Donna Cushing a Dennis Clark. 4 ymgeisydd pen i gamp, bobl sy'n deall beth sydd angen ar ein hywyddedweision mwyn plis Mona ein cymunedau, a hynny yn effeithiol gan i bod nhw ein hymgeiswyr ni wedi greiddio yn eu cymunedau. Yn Nyfyd Powys, mae Dafydd Llywelyn wedi profi bod modd bod yn bont rhwng yr heddlu a'r cyhoedd, sydd yn ei dro yn helpu wneud yn cymunedau ni yn fwy diogel trwy cynyddu ffydd bobl yng ngwaith yr heddlu. Yn San Steffan, dwi'n gweld llywodraeth geidwadol sydd yn syml iawn ddim yn deall gwir bwrpas plis Mona gweithredol. Fi welon ni Suella Braverman pan oedd hi'n ysgrifennydd gartra yn tanseilio'r egwyddor o blis Mona annibynnol trwy geisio gychymyn yr heddlu i wneud i gwaith nhw fel petai y llywodraeth yn cyfeirio gwaith yr heddlu, sydd a bwgwth o fod yn gam peryglus iawn. Do'n ni ym Mhaid Cymru yn deall nad fel hyn mae meithrin gwasanaethau heddlu effeithiol. Dim ond gweithygu bydd y berthynas rhwng yr heddlu a'r cyhoedd os bydd llywodraeth bell yn Llundain yn ceisio dweud wrthyn ni yng Nghymru sut i gadw yn cymunedau ni yn ddiogel. Trwy feithrin perthnasau agos o draws y rhanbarth a bob lefel lywodraethu a chymunedol, mae Dafydd yn amddiffyn record balch iawn. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi, Dafydd. Jyst dychmygwch faint allan ni gyflawni gyda'n egwyddorion a'n gwerthoedd ni petai gennym ni 4 Comisiynydd Heddlu yn enw Plaid Cymru yn gweithio gyda'i gilydd. The upcoming PCC election is important not just in itself, but as a crucial step in building that community-based policing which we know to be so effective. Our police service, of course, does not operate in isolation, but is part of a larger framework and depends on a complex web of interactions between local government, Welsh Government and Westminster. Plaid Cymru has led the way in highlighting the broken model that our justice system currently operates. We need PCCs who truly understand the need for policing that is well-resourced, community-orientated and, of course, accountable to the people of Wales. I often find myself talking about the devolution of justice as though it was somehow an abstract concept, something which we in Plaid Cymru would, of course, embrace and encourage. But justice, for all it being an abstract noun, if it is an abstract concept, it has failed. Justice exists in action. If it is not in action, it does not exist. It is put into action through a range of agencies: education, social services, health and housing, all of which are devolved. Of course, they're all devolved to the Senedd. Does it matter? Yes, it does. Bingham's first rule of law is that the law must be accessible and, as far as possible, intelligible, clear and predictable and consistent. That simply is not the case in Wales in the 21st century. That, of course, is why Plaid Cymru is going into the coming general election with a clear pledge to fully devolve justice and policing to Wales. Not just youth justice and probation, as has been half-heartedly pledged by Labour, because half-heartedly doing the job does not do the job in its entirety as we need it to be done. We need the creation of an integrated, devolved justice system. What would that allow us to do? It would allow us to fund our police forces sustainably and reliably and to integrate services with healthcare and social policy. Dafydd Llywelyn has shown how diligent community engagement can bridge the gap between the public and the police. But his job would be made so much easier if the system itself were easier to navigate for the public through full devolution. Electing 4 Plaid Cymru PCCs will help ensure that everyone in Wales has that hard-working public servant rooted in their community to ensure the best policing services. And it would send a clear message to Westminster that we demand a policing service, a policing system that is answerable to the people of Wales. 4 Plaid Cymru PCCs working together can show that policing works effectively when it is led from within our communities and not directed from afar by Westminster. So on the 2nd of May, let's do just that. Let's demand policing that is well-resourced, rooted in our communities and answerable to the people of Wales alone. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd am ddod heddiw.